Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2019 Hyundai Tucson. Both the interior and engine fuse boxes are quick to find with covers that are easy to remove. The latter even comes provided with a small plastic fuse puller for your convenience. The spare tire and jack kit are both packaged beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. The engine air filter is in the driver's side of the engine bay. Once you pry off the cover and disengage the securing fasteners, the air filter assembly will slide out of the housing with ease. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlights have very cumbersome access, as a majority of them are LED and will require an entire housing replacement should they burn out. You'll need to disengage the wheel well lining and part of the bumper before you can take out the housing itself, all of which will require many different tools and will end up being rather time-consuming. You must remove a smaller interior panel underneath the vehicle for access to the oil drain plug and oil filter, and an even larger surrounding panel for access to the petcock. This will make oil changes and coolant flushes cumbersome to perform. The large surrounding panel must also be removed for access to the transmission fluid check plug, while the air filter intake vent in the engine bay must be removed for access to the transmission fluid cap. These are both tedious procedures that won't allow for quick monitoring of the fluid level. Overall, the 2019 Hyundai Tucson is a difficult vehicle to maintain, and prospective owners should be prepared for some lengthy and complicated repair procedures.